Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Slack as a beginner. So once you create your account and select basically what your organization looks like, and what your topics and basically what your team is working on, right? So basically you're going to see right here, courtesy of Slack, you can see that they will show you around. You could just go ahead and click show me around right here, and basically they will show you that even more time saving tools. Slack is more than just messaging. You can hop on a huddle over audio or video call, track to-dos and notes and canvases, and there is a lot to explore. So if you click the three dots right here, you're going to be able to start messaging, and basically you're gonna you're gonna be able to start a voice call or video call. All right, and hit next right here to see. You can select a color for your project, basically your workspace, and then hit next right here, and it says send messages, start huddles, and create canvases. If you can do it on Slack, you can do it. You can start it from here and hit down right here. Basically we'll learn the basics that we can click more right here to initiate a video call, or voice call. And basically you're gonna be able to join on a video calls and create notes, right? And basically if you want to join or start joining right here, you're gonna be able to see join budget, and I'm gonna start adding the details or the things that I want to say, the viewpoint on the budget section, right? The same goes if you want to start a conversation. You're gonna just go ahead and right click mouse and then start channel, and then you're gonna be able to go inside that channel and then start talking with the people inside that basically in the this channel, right? And basically if you want to add co-workers, you can go ahead and add co-workers via their email, and they will get their invitation from you, and then they're going to be able to approve or reject their invitation to join your Slack. And here, as we said, on the plus button, you can create messages and start a huddle, video or audio chat, and Canvas. You can create content and collaborate with other people. And basically you can see the last option, which is channels, start a group conversation by topic, and then basically you're going to be able to go to any channel and start a general conversation with your team, basically about any topic for that matter. Maybe something coming up, or maybe you want to add another channel. Add another channel by click adding channel, and then create a new channel and browse channels if you want to browse channels on Slack, right? So go back right here. You don't want to get too much in the detail, and basically you can see right here your avatar icon, the members, which is only me, right? You're gonna be able to find members if you have too many members by their by their first initials. So you can start a huddle, or maybe start a conversation via messages or something like that if you have a private thing to say to them. So basically that's it. That's the basic basic idea of Slack, and this is how you get started with your journey. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.